Withdrawing TEL from the KuCoin website to your Telcoin app is a simple process that should only take a few minutes. Let me walk you through it. Please note that this tutorial is not financial advice. First, log in to your KuCoin account. Click on the Assets tab and check whether your TEL is in your funding or trading account. If it's in your trading account, you'll need to first transfer it to your funding account before withdrawing. Simply click Transfer next to the token, select Funding Account as the destination, type in the amount of TEL, and click Confirm. Let's go to the funding account. There's the TEL. Click Withdraw and it'll bring you to the withdrawal page. Now you'll need your Telcoin Wallet address. You can access it easily by opening your Telcoin app, tapping on the QR code icon in the top right corner of the blue card, and copying the address. Now paste it in as the wallet address destination. It's very important that you select the correct network. Since 2021, the Telcoin app has run on the Polygon network, so select Polygon Matic as the network. Now type in the amount of TEL. Once you verify that all this information is correct, click Withdraw. You'll then have to confirm the withdrawal. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also have to enter your KuCoin trading password, email code, and 2FA code. As the KuCoin website says, it may take up to 30 minutes for the transaction to process on the blockchain. However, it can take less than 30 seconds in some cases. If you have notifications enabled on your Telcoin app, you'll get a pop-up informing you of the incoming deposit. Your total TEL holdings will be updated to include the deposit, and the deposit details will appear on your transactions page. The process is now complete. Your tokens are now securely stored with assisted self-custody, and from within the Telcoin app, you can also stake TEL for referral rewards, trade for more than 100 other digital assets on DeFi, or send tokens to other Telcoin users or external wallets. Enjoy!